Exercise 11.2 in that question number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So here the basic, that is rough diagram is, see here AB is of length 8 cm. Okay, so keeping this is 8 cm. Okay, so keeping A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So here this is 4 cm and keeping B as another circle with the radius 3 cm. So this is 3 cm. So here 4 3 7 means this is only 1 cm actually. Okay, so the diagram will be actually like this. Okay, so this is center and here this one. So this is A, this is B. Okay, this is it, this is 4, this is 3. So now here construction part I will write. Construction, draw the first one, draw line segment AB of length 8 cm. Okay, so now second, taking A as center, draw circle with radius 4 cm. So now taking B as center, draw circle with radius 3 cm. Okay, then the figure looks like this. So make a perpendicular bisector of AB here. To construct a tangent, we have to make perpendicular bisector. So like this, because this is 8 cm means this will be 4 cm, this will be perpendicular bisector will be at this point. Okay, so now keep here, let it be point M, keep M as center and MA as radius. Okay, so draw a circle. Okay, so now if you draw a circle, what happens? This will be like this. So here this point and this point we will get. So let it be PQRS. This will be P, this will be Q, and this will be R, and this will be S. Okay, so let it be PQRS. So now we have to construct a tangent. So like this, from this center for this circle, and from this center this circle, like this. Okay, so I will write a different diagram here. So here this is the diagram. So first, this is A is a circle of radius 4 cm, B is a circle of radius 3 cm. So we have joined AB, that is line segment of 8 cm. So here perpendicular bisector, that point is M, and here from M, keeping M as a center, MA as the radius, we have drawn a circle. Okay, after this we will get P, Q, R and S. These are the intersecting points. So let this P and Q are the points on this circle, and the tangents will be drawn from the center of the other circle, that is from point B to P, B to Q. Here join here BP and BQ. Also join here AR and AQ. So these are the tangents. So how to prove these tangents? That is to prove they are tangents. Okay, so join AP and AQ. Okay, so then the angle, that is the angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, because of semicircle, angle present in semicircle, angle present in one of semicircle. Okay, so now here if it is a semicircle means that is AP is perpendicular to PB. Okay, hence they are tangent. Hence PB is the tangent. So in the same way we can prove that is AQ is also perpendicular to the BQ. Okay, so hence this PB, that is hence BQ is also tangent. So in the same way, this is here BR is perpendicular to the AR and BS is perpendicular to the AS. Okay, hence AR and AS are also tangents. Okay, thank you. So exercise 11.2 in that question number 6. So let ABC is a right angle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter. See here, ABC is a right angle triangle. So here AB is equal to 6 centimeter, this one. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. And angle B is equal to 90 degree, because right angle means this angle B is equal to 90 degree. So BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. So this BD is the perpendicular for this AC. That is given BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay. And also AB is equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Of course, angle B is 90 degree. This is right angle triangle. So construct the circle through BCD is drawn. So here like this, BCD point. So construct the tangents from A to this circle. So from this A to this circle. So here you see this to this point, tangents, and from this point to this point, tangent. Tangents we have to draw. That is how to draw the tangents from the center of the circle. We have to join this point. So for that perpendicular bisector we have to do. So first you have to draw construction portion. First draw right angle triangle with right angled at B, that is B angle is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, this we have to draw first. So after that a circle is drawn, from the points B, C, D. Okay. So now we see that angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Here, because see here, this is a perpendicular. This is perpendicular here stored. Perpendicular from B on AC. Okay. This is 90 degree. So we know that here, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Okay. This is a right angle means this is in semicircle, right angle. So BC must be the diameter. So here this BC must be diameter. So here this center must be here. That is at the 4 centimeter here. Because when this is BC is the diameter, then only this is the semicircle and angle is the 90 degree here. First construct ABC. No need to mark point D on a triangle. Say this is ABC is a triangle. Okay. So up to this we have seen ABC is a triangle. So after that here this point, here we have drawn here this one, that is ABC. This is ABC. Okay, from this point. So here this is the bisector. M is the bisector, perpendicular bisector. Okay, that is from point A to center. See here 90 degree means this BC must be the diameter. Okay, so this 8 and this we have to make perpendicular bisector for this one. So here this one. So we can find out the center. So from this center to this one we have joined here. Okay, so this joined and we have to again make this perpendicular bisector here. Okay, this point will be M. So we have to draw a circle here. Okay, so this point and this point are there. So these are the tangents here. So the same thing we have done here. Here this is the perpendicular M bisector. So this AB and here A to Q here. So here after drawing the tangents here, that is AB and AQ are tangents drawn. That is keeping M as center. Okay, that is MA as radius. So in this way we have drawn. AB and AQ are the tangents. So to prove this one, what we have to do? Again join QE, because E is the center here. E is the center we have taken. Join QE and here angle AQE is equal to 90 degree, because the angle subtended in a semicircle. Okay, in a semicircle, and hence this EQ is perpendicular to AQ. Hence AQ is the tangent. Okay. So exercise 11.2 in that question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of bangle. Take point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to a circle. So here the rough sketch will be, we have to take one bangle, so that we have to draw this circle. So we have to take a point outside P, so we have to draw a tangent here from this one. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So this is the simple. We have to construct two non-parallel chords. See, we don't know the center point here. So earlier how it is, this one, it will be like this only. We don't know this center point also. Okay, only we got this circle and this point P. So for this what we have to do? So we have to find center first. Find the center. So how to find the center of this circle? So here, construct two chords. Construct two chords which are non-parallel. Which are non-parallel. Okay. So here, so how to construct means, suppose this is one chord. Here one more chord is like this. Okay. This chord is B. Let it be AB, and this is CD. Okay. Construct two chords. So afterwards, what we have to do? Draw a perpendicular bisector of AB and perpendicular bisector of CD. So draw perpendicular bisector of AB and also draw perpendicular bisector of CD. Okay. So here this perpendicular bisector means from this point to this point we have to take compass, and from more than half we have to take, and we have to construct this one arc, and from this again here. So join this one, and here also same like this. So one point you will get. So the intersection of this perpendicular bisector and this perpendicular bisector. So that point is called the center of the circle. That is intersection of both perpendicular bisector will be center of circle. So now we got the center of the circle. See, after that what we have to do? We have to join PO. Here C R O. This is PO. Okay. Join PO. This one. This to this one. So again make perpendicular bisector of PO. Okay. So let it be like this. Okay. And point M. This is point M. Okay. So keeping M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle. So here this circle, and this point and this point you will get. So they are Q and R. This point is Q and this point is R. So join PQ and PR. Okay. So here join PQ and PR. Okay. So this one. So PQ and PR means, see here, these are the required tangents. So as per his statement we have drawn a tangents. So how to prove these are tangents? So join this OQ and OR. So join OQ and OR. So after that, angle PQO is equal to angle PRO is equal to 90 degree, because semicircle, because the angles are in semicircle. So hence OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. And also OR is perpendicular to PR. Okay. This is PR. Hence PQ and PR. Hence PQ and PR are tangents. Okay. Thank you.